Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 16th of January, 2023. Let's break down Cardano or ADA and see where this price is going to go. Do you think that ADA is still going to go ballistic? I mean, the overall cryptocurrency space have seen a monumental move over the last couple of weeks. It seems like every cryptocurrency has been participating in this recent move higher. And I know a lot of people, ever since the downturn of 2022 and 2021, in the cryptocurrency space, missed out on these fantastic gains that occurred recently. Do you think ADA is still going to go higher? We're going to talk about that today. So let's go ahead and talk about my last price prediction first, and then we'll talk about what we're looking forward to in ADA going forward. You guys can see right here, January the 12th, 2023. I told you all to look for ADA to go higher. We played to strengthen to the market, and currently it came and hit our ultimate TP price, 7.4%. I'm not surprised to see price currently in ADA getting hung up right around 36-37 cents. There's some reason as to why price in ADA is not able to break above those levels, 36 cents, 37 cents right now. We need to talk about that because this could be the point to where the price is going to pause momentarily before we see a continuation to move higher. What do you think the odds are? What's the probabilities? Because this is the whole game of probabilities. Everything that's within the cryptocurrency space or even in stocks, it's all about probabilities. Which direction has the greater chance of seeing price go? Is it higher or lower? So let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here. I wanted to start out on the 2-weekly time frame first in ADA, just to give y'all a heads up, because this last completed 2-weekly price bar in ADA is great. I mean, this spread bar right here literally has taken out all of the selling that occurred to two prior 2-weekly price bars, even the third one. Look at that. So our concern is now is seeing buyers hold price in ADA, let's say at least no lower than 30 cents. We do not want to see price in ADA fall lower than 30 cents because it tells us that the buyers lost. So far, they're winning on the 2-weekly chart. Yeah, we can expect a continuation of move higher in ADA considering what occurred the last 2 weeks in price action. Now, let's take a look at this on the weekly chart then. So how do you think the weekly chart ended in the price performance of ADA right here? I will tell you, with the increase in volume, like we haven't seen this much volume come in ADA since the week of November the 7th, 2022. And you guys can see what happened to the price. It was going down then. And this time we're seeing prices go up, but I don't like how price closed off of the highs right here. I don't like that because this high volume could simply mean that sellers are in the market again in ADA and could possibly push the price down. So let's go ahead and look at ADA on the 5-day chart then. Maybe we get something better in terms of strength. What do you think here? Yes, we can see that we're in a trend in ADA. That's a positive sign. Positive sign is seen on the trend. Positive sign is seen on the 2-weekly chart. We're even seeing a trend here on the 3-day chart. Now, my concern is 36 cents, 34 cents. This is where the market is getting hung up at. So it tells me that this is where the buyers are going to have to really break price in ADA to the upside. The buyers will have to do it regardless. So we may see the market in ADA consolidate over the next couple of days, which is, we shouldn't be surprised. We saw the price in ADA already run up a pretty good run, 52-53% over the last couple of trading days. So we shouldn't be surprised to see the market in ADA come down. The question is it done though? So we're going to create this ascending line here in ADA. I'm going to go ahead and cut this long-term ascending line over because I want us to focus closer to where the market is trading. Okay. So let's go ahead and put this on the chart on a daily time frame. I want everyone to focus on price action in ADA alongside this trend. Okay. Now we're at the apex. We're at the top. So we need to recognize that this may not be the perfect opportunity coming in by ADA right now. Let's look at this on the 1-hour chart because it will give us more information. So you guys can see here on the 1-hour chart that the buyers came into the market in ADA right here. Now, why would I say that? Understand that the information is already being confirmed. We can tell where buyers are. We can tell where sellers are. The reason why I say buyers are currently at 34 cents is because of this. Okay, we have opportunity. We see back here historically that buyers came into the market in ADA here. They came into the market even here in ADA. And they kept price from falling. You guys can even see on this massive spread right here with this high volume, buyers were able to keep price from cracking below 34 cents. So it tells us that this is going to be a vital, important price that we need to see buyers maintain. You guys can even see on this last completed 1 hour price bar that buyers came back in and they supported price. As long as that holds, we can safely say that the market in ADA is going to continue to consolidate and maintain its ability to go higher. But the moment that the buyers don't come and hold 34 cents, right? The moment that they don't come and do it, then we will see price completely fall off a cliff. We have to be prepared for these events. So right now it's safe. We can say that at best, the market in ADA is going to maintain this trading range. It's going to consolidate, which tells us that later on down the line, the price action in ADA will continue to go higher. 34 cents is the battleground. So we got buyers here at 34 cents. Sellers are around 36. This is simple. Here it is on the 3-day chart. In ADA, you guys can see that currently we're maintaining some consolidation of trading. Buyers are still here. Let's see this on the 5-hour chart. Currently, we're still seeing buyers there too as well. So I really think that the overall market is still showing some bullishness. It's still showing some demand and some interest as of right now. Okay, so how do you think the price action in ADA is going to go through on a daily time frame? Like, do you think the price is going to continue to go higher or lower? Do you think we're going to see price break down? Now, we got 7 hours left, so you have to give me some leeway, okay? Because I would tell you, in the next 7 hours, if we see price in ADA close down here on the low of the bar, price is going to go down, okay? Because we got the selling that came through on the 14th of January, and the sellers are still here at 36 cents. So keep that in mind. I'm telling you that right now before the conclusion of today's daily price bar. If the market closed down here, then be prepared for price to go lower. Now, I told you that buyers needs to hold 30 cents. They cannot allow price to fall no lower than 30 cents. So I am going to play some strength into the market in ADA, especially from what I've seen on the 2-weekly chart and the weekly chart, but expect some volatility on the daily time frame. So let me bring this down to 30 cents. Okay, we want price to hold 30 cents in ADA there. And we already know that 36 cents is resistance into the market in ADA. So that's going to be our first price target. Let's recognize that we know sellers are there. So we're not going to act surprised if the market is not able to break above 36 cents. My second price target is going to be around 38. That's 9.5%. And then my third price target, well, hold on. I think I said my first price target is 36. Second is going to be 38. Third is going to be 40. Okay, that's what I'm looking for price in ADA to go over the next couple of days, especially if price doesn't break this trend line. We're still on course to see the market in ADA trend higher. All right, so that is it. Give me your thoughts. To those who are new, I want you all to know that the YouTube algorithm wanted you all to see this video because they know that you enjoy it, because they know that you'll get something valuable out of this video that you couldn't get nowhere else. So if you guys want to continue to get more of this content, then I would suggest that you like the video, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel, and also tap that bell notification as well, because you guys want to make sure that you get this information before anyone else. Join me. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.